Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the area of sector of a circle by using a formula. So I have drawn a circle here to understand what's the sector and how do we find the area of the sector. So let us consider a circle where OACB is a sector of the circle making an angle of theta at the center O of the circle. The formula for area of sector of angle theta is equal to theta over 360 times the area of the circle, which is pi r square. So this is the formula we are going to use to find the area of sector of angle theta to a circle with center O. So in our first question, find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if angle of the sector is 60 degree. So we have been given radius as 6 centimeter and angle theta is given as 60 degree. So by putting these values in the formula, we get area of sector AOBC as theta, which is 60 degrees over 360 degree times pi, which is 22 over 7 times r square, which is 6 times 6. So we can cancel out this 60 degree by 360 degree. So this is 1 and this is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and this 6 gets cancelled again, 6 times 1 and 6 times 1. So this 6 gets cancelled with the 6 in the numerator. So we are left with 22 times 6 over 7, which is equal to 22 times 6 is 132 over 7. And as it is an area, so the unit will be centimeter square. So after calculation, this comes out to be 18.857 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Let's box the answer. Now let's move on to our second question and solve one more example by using the formula. So let us solve our second example, which is find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So here we have been given the circumference of the circle from which we have to find the radius of the circle. So formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, which is equal to 22 centimeters. So from this relation we can find the value of radius. So r will be equal to 22 over 2 pi, which gives us 11 over pi. So this is our value of r. And now we need to find the angle theta. So here we have been given that find the area of a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means we have to divide the circle into 4 equal parts, and when we divide the circle into 4 quadrants, we will get the angle of 90 degree in our quadrant sector. So the angle of theta here is, the value of theta is 90 degree. Now we got the value of radius and angle theta. We can put the values in the formula for area of sector. Theta, which is 90 degree over 360 degree times pi r square. R is 11 over pi. So 11 over pi times 11 over pi. This pi gets cancelled with this pi, and 90 times 1, and this is 90 times 4, cause 9 times 4 is 36. So we got the value as 11 times 11 over 4 pi. Now we can write the value of pi as 22 over 7. So 11 times 11 over 4 times 22 and 7 will be in the denominator. So as we are dividing, so it will go in the numerator. So this will be 7 over 22. This can be reduced further. So 11 times 1 is 11 and 11 times 2 is 22. So this comes out to be 77 over 8 centimeter square. Or if we'll write it in decimal, this will be 9.625 centimeters square. So this is the area of the sector of a circle. Our final answer, and we'll box the answer. So this is how you can find the area of sector of a circle with a given angle. I hope this video is helpful to you, and you can now find the area of sector of a circle using the formula very easily. Please hit the like button if you like the video and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thanks for watching.